Hey there, if you're on this page, I already know something about you. You've been thinking about getting into wholesaling, but you're just not sure where to start. Maybe you're overwhelmed by all the YouTube videos out there. Maybe you don't know how to start. Maybe you've tried things and just didn't work out and you're frustrated. I built the First Deal Blueprint because I was in that exact same spot. It took me almost a year to do my first deal. Inside, I give you the exact steps to close a deal in 60 days. With the scripts, templates, calculators, contracts, and even AI tools that take the confusion out of it. You'll also get my bonuses, including a 30-day action plan and real seller call scripts you can use immediately. Scroll down, you'll see real checks from real deals. I'm teaching you the exact process, but you have to focus on it. If you want to stop watching videos and start taking action, hit the button below. Thanks.